الله وبركاته. بنحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانفضوا من حولك. Respectable teachers and dear students, today I want to talk about a very important topic: modesty. Modesty is not just about the way we dress or behave. It's a beautiful trait that reflects humility, respect, and faith. Let's begin with what Islam teaches about modesty. Modesty in the Quran. Modesty in the Quran. The Quran encourages us to be modesty in how we speak, walk, and dress. It teaches us to lure our guests, our thoughts, and protect our dignity. Modesty is not just about an outward appearance. It's also about the purity of our hearts and minds. Every religion has unique value, and modesty is a defining trait of Islam, as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ﷺ, said, modesty is a part of faith. Importance of modesty. Modesty. The Quran says that modesty and good character can lead to the pleasure of Allah and eternal reward. Modesty is also about the purity of our hearts and minds. Modesty is also considered to be a fundamental characteristic of other regardness. This hadith highlights that modesty is not just about an personal trait. Indeed, every religion has a specific characteristic, and a characteristic of Islam is modesty. Sunnah Ibn Majah. Modesty is a significant virtue in Islam. In conclusion, modesty is a powerful quality that makes us better people. When we practice modesty in our words, action, and appearance, we bring positivity to our life. Modesty is also considered to be a fundamental characteristic of regardless in all that we do. Thank you.